Welcome to the installation guide for the DryGair DG-3 50 Hz dehumidification unit. Before starting, make sure the unit is on a flat, level floor. This is important for the machine to work and drain water correctly. Safety is very important. Before you touch any wires, check that the main external power switch is off. Remember, only a professional electrician should connect this machine. Follow your local rules to connect the wires to these labels L1, L2, L3, neutral, and ground. First, open the electrical box. Before connecting wires, make sure the unit's internal switch is also off. Push the main power cable through the entry holes. After connecting, put the wires neatly into the plastic duct to keep the box safe and organized. Now, turn on the power. Turn the external breaker to on, then turn on the unit's internal switches. Look at the phase loss relay. If you see a red and green light, it is working correctly. If you see only a red light, the wires are in the wrong order. You must change the sequence. When the power is right, the screens will turn on. The unit must now sit for 2 hours to stabilize. This is a good time to install the Canopy on the machine. After 2 hours, choose the operating mode. Move the SW1 switch to local mode to use the machine's own settings. To set your target humidity, press and hold the set button for 5 seconds. Use the arrows to pick your humidity level, then press set again to save. Connect a 1/2-inch pipe to the water outlet. Lead this pipe to your greenhouse drain. Check the fans. Hold a piece of paper near the side of the machine. If the paper is pulled toward the machine, the fan is working. The compressor will start after about 3 minutes if it is humid. After 30 minutes, check the machine again. The coils should be wet and water should be coming out of the drain pipe. This means it is working. Installation is finished. We hope you have a great growing season with DryGair. For more information, visit drygair.com.service and support page.